Good day everyone. My name is Rashika, daughter of Nagarajan. I am taking early childhood education course in UPSI. Today I will make an easy origami which is both for assignment purpose. The things that we need to do this origami is one rectangular sheet of paper. The step to do this origami is firstly start with your rectangular paper, orient in vertically with the long edges going up and down. Fold the bottom half up to the top, fold the bottom right corner over to the left corner and make a small pinch just enough to crease the paper. Open it back up. Secondly, using the crease as a guardian, fold the left and right bottom corners up and to the middle. Flatten the folded pieces down, rotate the paper, fold one layer from the bottom up along the bottom of the front flaps. Thirdly, flip the paper over the other side, fold the bottom edge up in the same way. Unfold and then fold the bottom right corner in along the crease you made. Repeat on the bottom left flap. Fourthly, refold the bottom edge back up. Open the bottom of the model. Look at the corners. Flatten and then insert the overlapping flap on the left underneath the right section. Fifthly, fold one layer up to the top. Repeat on the back. Open the bottom of the model. Finally, pull apart the left or right flap, flatten it out. In the shape of model, open it slightly. The triangle is the middle resemble a sail. Benefit when doing origami is child uses the fingers to create specific shapes out of paper. The ability to skillfully move one's finger to create detailed objects is important for a child's development. Children who are good with their fingers tend to be good at sports and have a good rhythm. In a nutshell, origami is good for your child as it develops high hand coordination, squeezing skill, math reasoning, spatial skill, memory, but also patience and attention skills. Origami allows the child to develop fine motor skills and mental concentration. All of these combined stimulates the brain, especially when both hands are being used at the same time. That's all for today. Thank you.